Good morning, everyone. Wishing you a very healthy, prosperous, and happy New Year to all of you. My name is Mohit Prasad, and I am here to explain my project on the auspicious event of 28th National Children's Science Congress 2020-21 under the focal theme Science for Sustainable Living. And the sub-theme is Design Development, Modeling and Planning of Sustainable Development. Our aim of this project is to understand the current scenario of solid waste management in our locality, that is Kusmunda area, and to propose better ideas. So let us understand what is solid waste management. Solid waste management is a term that is used to refer to the process of collecting and treating solid waste. It also offers a device solution for recycling items that do not belong to garbage or trash. So let us move on to our hypothesis. So our hypothesis is the type of solid waste in Kusmunda area is generally domestic waste, industrial waste, which may be managed by municipal corporation and further recycled and dumped. And our objective of this project is to find out the types of solid waste that are produced in Kusmunda area, and second objective is to find the ways that are used to dispose of the solid waste and management in practice. Third objective is discovering the impact of solid waste management of the locality on the environment and locality. Fourth objective is to propose better solution, alternatives, plannings to dispose solid waste. So let us see what are the types of solid waste which are produced in Kusmunda area. So here you can see that these are the types of waste that are produced in Kusmunda area. The types of solid waste generally produced in Kusmunda area are of three types: domestic waste, commercial waste, and industrial waste. Under domestic waste, there are two components mainly. First one is biodegradable waste and second is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste includes vegetable peels and organic waste. Non-biodegradable waste include plastics, metals, etc. Under commercial waste, there are two types. First one is e-waste and second is packaging materials. Third, industrial waste. Under industrial waste, the coal mines produces dust and hard rocks. So under industrial waste, dust and hard rocks are the two types of waste. So how we will manage is all the three types of waste. So here are the management of these all three. So the main municipal corporation manages all the types of waste, and junk sellers also sell it to big factories that further goes for recycling and remolding, and the coal mines management also manages these industrial waste, which further they dump it as man-made mountain in open ground and made dumpings as a man-made mountain. And municipal corporation also dumps the waste, and they further separate it. They separate the plastic and you can say biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste, and they separate the biodegradable waste, and they prepare a manure, organic manure, and the non-biodegradable waste further they are sent to big factories for recycling and remolding. So here you can see that this is our Kusmunda area where all these three types of waste are produced and managed. So here are the data collected through interview. We use the survey method, and the project survey can be summarized as follows. Around 25 households were taken in the survey, and around 28 kgs of solid waste are generated, and they disposed through the municipality corporation. And 3 electronic shops are taken, and around 6.5 kg of solid waste are generated, and they sold to the junk seller, who further sell it to big factories for their recycle and remolding. 4 general stores and 1 medical shops are included, and the type of waste produced are paper wastes, cardboards and packaging material. around 25 kg of waste are produced, and they send it to the junk seller, sell it to the junk seller, who sell it to recycling companies. And the coal mines, which produces dust and hard rocks, around 20,000 of tons and 5,000 tons of hard rocks are collected, and they collectively dumped in an open space in the form of man-made mountain, where later on afforestation is done. So here is the result of our project that we found in our study area. As there are several kinds of solid waste which are produced within the category of domestic waste and industrial waste, along with the commercial waste. Waste like e-waste, packaging waste, and it is disposed by either municipal corporation or the people involved in generation of those solid waste. Moreover, solid waste is also managed by recycling, dumping, and landfilling only. But apart from this, the waste is also reused and used for the landfilling for afforestation, which shows that the study area has a quite good, systematic, and efficient solid waste management. Solution to the problems. So, in addition to the present solid waste management strategies used in the study area, we propose the following strategies so that the amount of waste can be reduced to some extent. So first, reusable materials should be used in packaging. Households can biocompost the biodegradable waste and kitchen waste. Certain e-waste collection centers should be installed in the area and in the locality, and hard rocks from coal mines and coal waste can be taken in some proportion for road construction and materials. And we have to use 5 R's for sustainability, that is reduce, reuse, rethink, recycle, repurpose. And so at last but not the least, I would like to express my special thanks to our principal, respected Sri R.K. Singh sir, and our guide Miss Ansu Sinha ma'am, who gave us the opportunity to do this project. And I would also like to thank our group member Deepak Kumar Srivas, who helped me a lot. And I would also like to thank all the participants who involved in this project and surveys, and helped us a lot to complete this project.